reigns supreme? Let us know in the comments below.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys and with my awesome assistant,
Tubi.
Can you say hello, Tubi?
Hello, Tubi.
Hey guys, today the battle is on because we are going to play Kuroba! Kuroba is a new take on the classic game Rock, Paper, Scissors. Included in a battle pack, you get 2 transforming creatures, 2 creature gems, and 3 mix and match panels. You can also get a Kuroba Training Pack. That includes 1 transforming creature, 1 practice cube, and 1 creature gem. So thankfully, Playmates sent us over the training pack and the battle pack for us to review. Included in the battle pack, we're going to battle Avalawab versus Ember Fox. And we have Octoboss in the training pack. This is for ages 6 and up. And you can get it at Target and on Amazon. It's also available now at Walmart. The training pack is only $8.99, but the battle pack is the best bang for your buck. The Kuroba battle pack is $16.99, and you could battle your friends. Let's get started. You ready to play, Tubi?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So in order to play, the first thing you need to do is build up your battle skills. So you have to practice using a practice set. Here is our Octoboss, and he's so cute. Here is the practice chamber over here. So here, where are the tabs to switch it out? Let's take out this piece in here. Whoa, look at the inside of the Kuroba case. Oh my God, oh my goodness, it has all of these like signs. It look like zodiac signs, but I don't think so. I see like an ember over here. Maybe that's after Ember Fox. And this looks like a scorpion. And this is a snowflake. So I'm guessing it is the other Kuroba. So this is probably for like a scorpion one that we don't have. And then the flame is for Ember Fox. And the snowflake one is for Avalawab. In order to choose which mode you're going to play in, you have to remove Octoboss's face. So right here, if you see, there's a little tab and these little tiny images. It's rock, paper, then scissor. So let's choose scissor. And as you turn it, you see the dial moving. So we're gonna choose scissor. Then we're gonna turn our Kuroba inside out. Should put his face back on though. That's number 1. Inside out Kuroba. All right. Then make sure before you slide it, you have the K side up. The same with your training one. Eat him right up. Oh, see? Once these 2 pieces hit each other, it eats it right up. That's cool.
So the starter one got gobbled up.
That's right. So now we actually get the idea of it. So based on the dials, whatever is up, see these match into it. So this is probably already set on paper. So once you click into place, how cool is that? Yeah. Now let's start our battle pack and let's start the battle. Who do you want to be?
I want to be Octopus.
You do?
I'll be someone in here. I'll be...
It's Avalawab and Ember Fox.
This is Avalawab?
Yeah, Avalawab.
Wait, is he super strong?
I think they both are.
Oh, I'm gonna...
This is really... It's the battle of ice and fire.
Well, I'm gonna say... this fox guy.
Ember Fox? Okay, let's unbox them. So here are the other ones that you can collect. Ooh, there's Terra Kuro, Water Kuro, Fire Kuro, Ice Kuro, and Night Kuro. Ooh, I want the night one. And there's a rare Kuroba cube. Ooh, it's cool. No, it's not Lava Pop. I don't know who that is. This is so cool. Okay, who's gonna win? Will it be Ember Fox? Or is it Avalawab? So I am Avalawab, and Avalawab looks like it has like little ears. Maybe it's like a family of a Yeti. And look, you could change it with these plates. You could change out the plates. Oh, it even includes like from other Kuroba. And here is the creature gem.
Guys, if you guys say and you're right, you're a winner. Like you always do.
Okay, now our Kuroba is inside out. And let's just practice. Let's see what happens. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! So the Kuroba the K should be on the top. So when they hit each other, it'll see who's gonna get gobbled up. You ready?
Yeah.
Is everybody ready to rumble in the Kuroba Stadium in Tubi Toy Studio? We have in the first corner Amber Fox. In the next corner we have Avalawab. Who do you think is gonna win? Let us know in the comments below. Will it be Amber Fox or will it be Avalawab? Okay, M2B, you're Amber Fox?
Yeah.
Okay, first, what do you need to do? Choose rock, paper, or scissors.
I want to choose rock.
You want to choose rock? Okay, let's take off their face. So, Mr. M2B has chosen rock. But we're not supposed to be telling anybody. But for the first round, we are. Okay? It's a secret otherwise. So he chose rock, and I'm for,
Scissor?
yeah, I'll choose scissor, just so we can show you guys how Amber Fox is going to gobble up Avalawab. And what's so super cool about Kuroba is that you can mix and match these plates, these character plates, and you can put all these different little gems maybe inside, I think. Okay, you ready to rumble?
Yeah.
All right, you make sure you have the K facing up. On your mark, get set, go! Oh! It looked like a tie over here. What's going on?
I guess I won.
Well, rock and scissor, rock is supposed to win. So let's try that again.
I was rock.
And then we're going to do it without anybody seeing. Only the folks at home except me and you. Ah!
I won.
So you don't need to smash them together. I just got to put them next to each other. You did win. So now you're going to choose yours. Do you know how to do it?
Yes.
Okay. Here, let me take the face plate off for you. Here's the dial right here, okay, buddy? Right here. Look. This one. Yep. Don't tell me who you're picking. I'm not going to tell you. Only the people at home.
But is rock on here? Over here?
Is that what you're going to choose? You should choose something else.
I'll choose.
Avalawab, don't fail me now. Smashing them together for us is not working, but I think we could just put them next to each other and let's see. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Kuroba! I won!
So I take this part.
Who did they pick? Let me know in the comments below.
Okay, K side up, come closer to me and smash! Ah! Wait, what did you pick?
I picked scissors.
I think I picked rock. Wait a minute, let's put this inside out again. Because I should have won then. So much fun.
Yeah.
They even have a Kuroba Stadium where it's like a ramp. It's like $20. You can get it at Target and they smash into each other. I was going to get it, but I couldn't find it in time and I really wanted to get this video up. But I think we're going to be taking this Kuroba somewhere special.
Disney World.
Yeah, I think we could play this on the plane. I think it'd be fun.
Oh yeah,
you ready?
Be fun too.
Go. Oh, again? Wait, what did you pick? Maybe we picked the same thing.
I didn't pick anything.
What? What do you mean you didn't pick anything? You picked scissors and I picked scissors. That's why.
Oh.
It's a tie. All right, let's
Okay,
pick
what's the
something
one-
else.
okay.
Okay, I'm going to pick something else. Okay. This is perfect for the airplane. This is perfect. It's a stocking stuffer. This is just a great game. And it's really, they're gearing it towards young girls, but I think boys can play this too. Why do girls just have to play? You know what's cool too? You could dress up your plates. Let's like change out our plates. How do we do that? Whoa! This is so much fun!
Yeah, I'm trying to do my inside out.
I didn't do mine yet. I'll help you out. Let me just change out my plates.
Oh, I did it. K side
You
up.
did it!
Yeah, I
Good
did.
job!
K side up.
Kuroba it up. Ready? On your mark. Get set.
Okay.
Kuroba! I won!
Oh, that was a D-match.
What did you pick?
I picked rock.
I picked paper. Paper covers rock. One more time. I'm gonna choose someone different now. I'm gonna play with Octoboss. Who will reign supreme? Let us know in the comments below. This is our final round. Who's gonna win? Mommy or M2B? Tiffany or M2B? Let me know in the comments below.
Last round. I hope I could win.
Good luck. Good luck to you, sir. You ready?
Yes.
Kuroba time.
Ready?
On your mark, get set.
Go.
Wow, you won! High five!
I picked paper.
Good job! Excellent. High five.
I picked paper, so I definitely, because you picked paper, so you won. So I just did paper, so I can win.
High five! Good job, buddy. This is so much fun. Thank you so much to Playmates for sending us Kuroba. This is definitely going to be in other videos, for sure. We'll be on the plane playing this.
I want to play again.
All right, we're going to play some more. Thanks for watching, guys.
Have a great day.
And thanks, Kuroba, for sending us. Thanks, Playmates, for sending us awesome Kuroba.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah.